friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be making French fries from scratch from potatoes in the air fryer. So what we need is 2 potatoes and some vegetable oil. And let's cut the potatoes into French fry shape. First of all, you need to wash the potatoes. I already did it before making the video. Now, whether to peel them or not, it's up to you. I like potato skins, so I'm not going to peel it, but if you want to, you can peel it before slicing. So now I'm going to cut the potatoes in a French fry shape. So first I'll cut a potato in half, and then in another half here. And then I'm going to cut each quarter into slices, and then slice each into fries shape. And once you cut it, let's put it in a bowl. And I'll continue doing it with the rest of the potato. Now, once you cut the potatoes into fries, let's add some vegetable oil. You can add about 1 tablespoon. And also sprinkle the potatoes with salt and pepper or any seasonings you like. And now let's toss the potatoes so they're evenly coated with oil on both sides. So now the fries are coated with oil and seasonings, and let's take out the air fryer basket and put the fries in the air fryer basket. And let's put the basket in the air fryer. And now I'm going to set the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and I will set the time to 17 minutes. Now it's been 5 minutes, so let's take out the air fryer basket and let's shake it. And also you can use a spatula to make sure that no French fries stick to the bottom, because potatoes have a tendency to stick. So let's shake so they cook evenly, and then put it back in the air fryer. Now after an additional 5 minutes, again let's take out the air fryer basket. See, now it looks like they're cooking real well. So now let's shake them again. And also if they're sticking, use the spatula to make sure they separate from the bottom. And put them back in the air fryer to finish cooking. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look at our French fries. Look at these homemade French fries. They're perfectly cooked and so crispy. Look at that. Hear them? They're so crispy and delicious, golden brown. Let's put them on a plate. I'm so excited about trying them. Looks amazing. Crunchy, yummy fry. This is so good. These homemade fries are amazing, and making them in the air fryer is so easy. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!